That got weird. Boys and girls, it is my pleasure to be in one of the greatest, most beautiful countries in the whole wide world. God, I missed you guys. I missed you so much, and this is exactly how I dreamt it to be. On a gorgeous Saturday night, on a sunny day in Amsterdam. And I love it because there's such warmth here. I had the most beautiful day off, and I know I'm in Amsterdam. I know I'm in the Netherlands. I know I'm in Holland because I got here and I came down the street and I said, there was a guy going by, and I said, well, hello, sir. And he said, shit, my kind of people. So Canadian and dry. So great. I am so happy to be here. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to know that even though these tickets were expensive,